Neera Serene here at Om Karma, Master in Intuitive Sciences, Tarot Practitioner, and a Spiritual Transformation Coach. Today I'm going to talk about a few queries, a few things that people keep asking. कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें सामने आती हैं जब लोग पूछते हैं, चाहे कोई पढ़ने आया हो, चाहे फिर कोई क्लाइंट हो, तो मैंने सोचा शायद उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ बोलना चाहिए। सबसे पहले तो लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या इज़ टैरो करेक्ट? कैन टैरो टेल द फ्यूचर? सी, टैरो रीडिंग इज़ नेवर रॉन्ग. Whatever cards have come, they can never be wrong. It's just that whoever is reading the cards, what is the capacity or what is the capability of the reader? How much the reader has gone deep into the subject, how much the reader has worked on the intuition, and how much the reader has, connected to the cards. उस रीडर की, उस प्रैक्टिशनर की अगर वो सक्षम है पूरी तरह से, then the reading can never go wrong, because there are certain things which apart from the traditional meanings that come in the cards, there are certain things which even the intuition can catch. There are certain messages which the cards convey apart from the traditional meanings, and you need to be able to catch those messages. So as I said, that you need to be very, very thorough, and you need to be very connected and gone into absolute detail of the subject. Then you can be a very good reader, where nothing can go, actually none of the readings can actually go wrong. Some people also ask that can tarot tell the future? Future होता क्या है? जो आज है, जो अभी है, the present moment, that is the only truth. Every tomorrow becomes today. हर कल जो है वो आज बन जाता है. तो फ्यूचर क्या है? अल्टीमेटली तो वो आज ही, इस क्षण में ही तब्दील होने वाला है. और अगर इस क्षण को, इस प्रेजेंट को अगर हम ठीक कर लेते हैं, उस पर काम कर लेते हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात है फ्यूचर जो है हमारा उस हिसाब से सामने आ जाएगा. सो इन टैरो व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी गिव द गाइडेंस, लुकिंग एट द प्रेजेंट कंडीशन, लुकिंग एट द प्रेजेंट स्टेट, वी गिव द गाइडेंस दैट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प इन अनफोल्डिंग द फ्यूचर. That means if you have worked on your present, if you have done the requisite action, the future automatically is going to fall in place. That is something very important, and future can change as well. With our own free will, we can change the future. So this is something that if we get the guidance at the correct time and we perform the action at the correct time, the future definitely can change or can alter. Another question that I come across is that how much of money can a tarot reader actually make, and how much can she earn? अब ये तो बहुत ही एक डिफरेंट और डिबेटेबल सा क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज if you are doing your work in purity and in sincerity, and you're dedicated, and you're just game for complete hard work, you're not wanting success to be immediately coming to you, you want to go slow in your profession, then for sure you reach a point where there is a very good amount of money that you earn. You can be self-sufficient with respect to the money that you can get. And if I would also not, this is such a profession जिसमें मैं कभी भी नहीं कहूँगी कि किसी भी किस्म का कोई गलत रास्ता या गलत चीज़ को अपनाया जाए. It should be absolutely in purity. Then the universe supports you, your divine supports you. There is a lot of blessing and grace, and the money which is yours is 100% going to come to you. और जो पैसा आपका नहीं है वो कोई भी नहीं आपको दिला सकता, या फिर अगर आपके पास आ भी जाता है तो किसी ना किसी कारण से वो निकल जाता है. सो द मनी इज़ डेफिनेटली गुड. एवरी बिजनेस, एवरी वर्क टेक्स अ बिट ऑफ टाइम, एंड यू नीड टू हैव द पेशेंस, and you need to cultivate and nurture this business of yours if you decide to be a practitioner. Definitely, if you are good, the money will automatically follow you. That is what personally I believe in. um, जितने लोग इस प्रोफेशन में आए और जितने लोगों की मदद कर पाए, I can only wish and pray that the world gets so beautiful, where all of us are, kind of are in the situation to help each other in whatever best possible ways that we can do. And that's going to be such a beautiful world that I always dream of. Thank you so much, and loads of love.